Hello students, this is the fifth lecture of series of video lectures on the topic properties of steam. Today we will cover two numericals. Some numericals we had covered in the previous lecture. If you have covered that, this numerical will be easy for you. So try to cover all the previous lectures on properties of steam, that is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and today is the fifth lecture of this series. Now we will cover the numerical on temperature basis. Earlier we had covered on pressure basis. Suppose steam is given at 50 degrees Celsius and its specific volume is 10 cubic meter per kg. We have to calculate enthalpy, internal energy and entropy of the given steam. Earlier we had covered elementary stage. You can say that this is the next stage of numerical. Process is same. Repeat the question. At 50 degrees Celsius, specific volume of given steam is 10 cubic meter per kg. So our process is what? We will go to the steam table. At 50 degrees Celsius, first we will see the value of Vg. We know that at 50 degrees Celsius the corresponding value of Vg is 12.032 cubic meter per kg. Now we will compare these two values. Given specific volume is 10 meter cube per kg and the corresponding value of Vg is 12.032 cubic meter per kg. The given value is less. Given value is less than Vg. As per our concept, the steam will be weight. If the steam is weight, we will calculate the value of x with the formula of specific volume of weight steam, that is V equal to x Vg. So here V equal to x 10 into that is 12.032. Here after calculation you will get the value of x 0.8311. So in this numerical we have identified the type of steam, which is weight steam, and after finding the type of steam, our objective is to calculate its quality of steam or dryness fraction. Then with the help of given formula we can calculate the value of enthalpy. Enthalpy formula H is equal to HF plus X HFG. Value of HF at 50 degrees Celsius, again from the steam table, this is 209.31 plus 0.8311 multiplied by HFG. The value of HFG is 2382.7. This is the value of HF, this is the value of HFG. These two values you can get from steam table. So after calculation you will get the value of H is 2189.61 kilojoule per kg. Now after that we will calculate the value of U. This U is H minus PV. Here H we have calculated 2189.61 and at 50 degrees Celsius, the corresponding saturation pressure is 12.35 kilopascal. This is saturation pressure, and the value V is given, it is 10. So you will get the value of U is 2066.11 kilojoule per kg. In the temperature table, just in the second column, you will get the value of P. This P is saturation pressure. Now, our last objective to calculate the entropy of wet steam is by the formula S is equal to SF plus XSFG. Again, you have to see the formula of the value of SF and SFG from steam table. So SFG is 0.7037. What is X? X we have calculated 0.8311, and SFG is 7.3725. Here we get the value of X is, after calculation, 6.830. So this is the numerical which will help you to calculate the different properties of wet steam on the given condition. In the second numerical, suppose the steam is at 155 degrees Celsius, and its entropy is 5.5 kilojoule per kg. This is the question. At steam is available, its temperature is 155 degrees Celsius, and its entropy is 5.5 kilojoule per kg. You have to calculate its specific volume and its enthalpy. Process is same. First, we will identify the type of steam. Now, we will go to the steam table. At 155 degrees Celsius. If it is given entropy, then we will go to the corresponding value of Sg. So, corresponding value of Sg from steam table, it is 6.7934. The process is same. We will compare these two values. Here S is less than Sg, so steam is wet steam. If the steam is wet, we will calculate its dryness fraction with the help of this formula. S is equal to SF plus XFG. Here S is given 5.5, and SF and SFG you will get from the steam table at 155 degree. It is 1.8924 plus X into SFG, that is 4.9010. This is X, so you will get the value of X is 0.73. Once X is calculated, we have to calculate V and H. We have the formula V equal to X Vg. X is 0.73 and value of Vg from steam table 0.34676. So this value is 0.255 cubic meter per kg, and value of H is equal to HF plus X HFG. Value of HF and HFG you will get from steam table at 155 degrees Celsius, because this is the basic, this is the given. So HF is 653.82 plus value of X is 0.73 multiplied by HFG, that is 2098.6. This you will get 2185.79 kilojoule per kg. So students, this is the second stage of numerical. Condition is given. On the given condition, we identified the type of steam, we calculated the quality of steam, and we further calculated the different properties of wet steam with the given formula. I hope that you will go through all these lectures. You will try yourself to calculate these values for further exercise, and if you find any doubt, you can ask through the comment box. Hope that these lectures will help you to understand the numerical on properties of steam. Thank you.